This video was brought to you by the Jack L. Hill Lifelong Learning Center, located in the Norman F. Feldheym Central Branch of the San Bernardino Public Library. Please subscribe, and if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and share with your friends and family.
Hey guys, my name is Alondra, and today we're going to work on our license plate. So this is how the paper is going to come in our bag, and I'm just going to remove this so we could just work on this. And the paper right here is our instructions. So first we're going to have this paper and our rectangles here. On this one on our left, we're going to write the month you were born in and then our year. So let's do that right now. So I was born in November. And I'm just gonna do the abbreviation of it. And the year I was born was 1999. So for our license plate, we want to be creative and basically just do whatever you want to do. So if you want to work on your, use your favorite colors, or just draw flowers or anything. But because it's a license plate, usually with license plate, it has a number, or sometimes people get their names or a word. But for this one, I'm gonna do my name, and you could write your name regularly, but I'm gonna write it in cursive. Let's see how that turns out. So one. Okay, and it doesn't have to be perfect, but because again, it's our license plate. So however it is. Now we could add anything, so like flowers, peace signs, anything you like. So for this part, I'm gonna finish drawing, and then I'll come back with my results. Okay, so this is my final product. Remember, everybody has their own way of coloring, creativity. So it's your plate, so it doesn't matter how other people look, but this is mine. Now I'm gonna show you different ones. Remember, you don't have to just use crayons. You can use markers, construction paper, add stickers, or a little sparkle thing. So let me show you the other ones. So for instance, we have Monica. See how it's so colorful with the flowers. And then we have our logo here. And then we have Claire. See how she used the little rhinestones and the hearts and cutouts? Remember, it's how you want to design your license plate. And then Valerie with the green. Then Daniela did a little house. Gail with the stickers. Jesse had cut him out and paste his name on the license plate. See how everybody has their own style. And lastly, Claire's. Now, once you're done coloring, we're gonna cut it out your license plate and basically have it like this. And that's it for our license plate.